recording?
Yeah.
Alright, well, it's me, and when I was whipping the shitty here the other day, the exhaust came undone. I always had an exhaust leak, but it came undone and it got just fucking crazy loud, and I opened up the door, and it looked like that. I fixed it since then, but I pulled it back out so that way people could see it, and it sounds kind of cool.
It'd be easy to do side pipes.
Yeah.
Ow.
Loud, ain't it?
That's what it should sound like all the time.
Yeah. It's crazy loud. I like it. I'll put it back together.
Now that you got it nice and warm?
Yeah. It's not too hot.
I smell something sizzling.
What's that?
So I smell something sizzling.
What do you smell?
Your hands.
Oh.
Sarcasm.
I didn't know. I don't want stuff on fire. There we go.
I think we need to rotate tires and go to the blacktop.
Yeah. I think I need to try to save what little tiredness I have left. Difference. Gotta have an exhaust leak yet. Yep. So here's the difference. I'll run a self-tapper into it.